Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create a mobile application using Ninox. Now, for creating a mobile application using Ninox, you do not have to explicitly add any code. You do not have to follow a very different set of process or to create a mobile application. It is very simple and straightforward, and that is what we are going to see in this video. So now I have logged into the Ninox public cloud version. Currently I'm using a free version, and you can see I have added few applications. One of them is a demo application, and one is FlexiTest, a test management tool that I have developed. Now, in order to see this application in a mobile version, what you need to do is, first step is to download Ninox app on your mobile through Play Store or through App Store. Now I'm using Android device and I already have a Ninox app installed in it. Now let me connect this mobile using Visor so that I can demonstrate live how a mobile application would look like. So as you can see, you will have to go to Visor in your Chrome browser, and this is how the interface would look like. Now once you connect your mobile device using a USB cable to your personal computer, you will be able to see an option of USB debugging connected. So here, if you go on more options on the mobile, you will have to enable USB tethering in the USB preferences. So just now on enabling it, you can see on the browser, this is the device that I am currently using. Now when I click on this view device, you will get a notification on your mobile to allow USB debugging, and once you say allow, you should be able to see the mobile screen. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, that is how you can really view the application that you have already developed in the public cloud version of Ninox. So if I just search for Ninox app here, since I have already logged in, you can see those tables. Okay, so now you can compare the interface here. As you can see, this is the interface on the public cloud. I'm seeing two apps here, and now when you log into Ninox through the app on your Android device, you should be able to see the same application. So it keeps the applications or your databases in sync with the cloud version. Now this is the most awaited feature that I was really waiting for Ninox, and I'm really glad to see this. With this feature, I do not really have to implement a mobile version of the product or the database that I have developed. So if I go ahead and click here, you can see the dashboard view. So the entire set of entities that you have, you should be able to see in the mobile version. So it's that simple. You need not have to write a separate set of code or any other steps of installation or deploying for the mobile application. And good part is you can also use this interface if you have to work on the enhancement or if you have to edit this application. You can use the same mobile version as well. Okay, so that's all I had to share in this video. Objective was to understand how you can create a mobile application using Ninox without writing a single line of code. Thank you and happy building applications.